Good morning. In today's video, we will get to know about Transport Layer Protocol. Transport Layer. The transport layer is responsible for the delivery of message from one process to another. Process to process means it is not just a source to destination delivery, that is, from one computer to another. It is a delivery from specific process on one computer to specific process on the other. What a network layer actually does. It oversees source to destination delivery of individual packets. It does not recognize any relationship between those packets. It treats each one independently as though each piece belongs to a separate message. How transport layer differ from network layer? The transport layer ensures that the whole message arrives intact and in order, overseeing both error control and flow control at the source to destination level. Transport layer. Transport layer protocol. A transport layer protocol can be either connectionless or connection oriented. UDP. Connectionless protocol. Simple. TCP. Connection oriented protocol. Complex. HTTP. Connection oriented protocol designed for multimedia application. And Team Control Protocol. Transport protocol. Connectionless transport protocol. A connectionless transport protocol treats each segment as an independent packet and delivers it to the transport layer at the destination machine. The packets are not numbered. They may be delayed or lost or may arrive out of sequence. There is no acknowledgement either. UDP is connectionless. Connection-oriented transport layer. A connection-oriented transport layer makes a connection with the transport layer at the destination machine first before delivering the packets. After all the data is transferred, the connection is terminated. TCP and HTTP are connection oriented. Types of data delivery. The transport layer is responsible for process to process delivery. Node to node data link layer, host to host network layer, and process to process transport layer. Addressing. At the data link layer, we need a MAC address to choose one node among several nodes. At the network layer, we need an IP address to choose from one host among millions. At the transport layer, we need a transport layer address called a port number to choose among multiple processes running on the destination host. Destination port number for delivery. Source port number for the reply. Port number. Port number for a client host program defines itself randomly by transport layer. Is this is called ranging from 49 49,152 to 65,535. Port number for servers are universally assigned by Internet Assigned Number Authority. called well-known port number ranging from 0 to 1023. Socket address. Process-to-process delivery needs two identifiers, IP address and port number at each end to make a connection. The combination of IP address and a port number is actually called a socket address. Client socket address defines the client process uniquely. Server socket address defines the server process uniquely. UDP. The user datagram protocol is also called a connectionless, unreliable transfer protocol. UDP is so powerless it performs process-to-process communication with very limited error checking. If a process wants to send a small message and does not care much about reliability, it can use UDP. User datagram format. UDP packets called user datagram have a fixed size header of 8 bytes. Source port number. This is the port number used by the process running on the machine. It is 16-bit long, means port number can range from 0 to 65,535. It is source host. If the source host is client and ephemeral port number is chosen by the UDP for the particular process requested. It is the source host. If the source host is server, the port number is well-known port number. Destination port number. The port number used by the process running on the destination host. It is also 16-bit long. If the destination host is a server, the port number is a well-known port number most cases. If the destination host is client, the port number is an ephemeral port number most cases. Length. This is a 16-bit field that defines the total length of the user datagram, header plus data. Checksum. The field is used to detect error over the entire user datagram, header plus data. That's all for today. Thank you.